You can help others to work more efficiently in your worksheet by using a drop-down list in cells. Drop-downs allow people to pick up an item from a list that you create for them. To do that, in a new worksheet, enter the items which you want to appear in the list. Now select where you want the drop-down list to appear. Click on Data in the top, Data Validation under Data Tools, Data Validation, and here in Settings, select under Allow, List, Source, click on the arrow next to it, and select where your list is, and select all the items which you want to appear in your list. Hit Enter and click OK. Now, as you can see, here we have now a list, and people will be only able to select the items which you choose for them.